Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be singing Alex and Ciara, little do you know, but I'm only going to sing a little of it. I really know lots of it. Ugh. So I'm going to sing some. Here we go. With no music. Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know I'm so haunted by the memories. Little do you know I'm trying to pick myself up piece by piece. Little do you know I love you till the sun dies. Underneath it all, I'm head captured by the hole inside. I've been holding back for the fear that you might change your mind. Ready to forgive you, but forgetting is a harder fight. Little do you know I need a little more time. Oh, wait, just wait. Love you like you never felt the pain. Oh, wait, I promise you I have to be afraid. Just wait. Love you like you hear say. So lay your head on me. Oh, wait, oh, wait. Love you like you never felt the pain. Just wait. I promise you I have to be afraid. Just wait. I promise you I hear say. So lay your head on me. Oh, wait, oh, wait. Love you like you never felt the pain. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Go and check out Ryan Booth's channel 163, I think, and go check out Dean Moore's channel, and go check out Chelsea Cat Dog 123. Go check them all out. Subscribe, like. What else videos you want us to do? Comment down below. Share them. Share it. See you guys. Bye.